Future Blonde. Thank you for tuning in to One Pinay Chick Chats. My hands are full. I'm here, the neighborhood, getting goat food. I think it's almost 4 o'clock now. It rained before 3 o'clock, so I have to source out goat food again. And I seen this family of my young stud boy, Martin. And the white one, Sanen, is his mama. And the big one is his papa. And her triplets, that black and white young ones. The runt, the runt is the white one. Hello, Palat! Yeah, I have Martin with me in the farm, in my farm. She looked at me. She knows me. Like if you've seen my old video, she stayed in the farm for a short while. Had her supplements there, which she never had in her home. That's when the time she got pregnant for the first time, because I injected her with ADE. I mean, Papa injected her with ADE, which is kind of a fertility enhancer thing apart from being a supplement. Yes, here is Martin's family, and my goats will be released again once I get home for their taka. There's so much food here, guys, for the goats. So Martin's family is lucky, but mine there at the back is bigger, of course. Catch you later. So I came home sweaty at 4:20. Now my goats are eating out there. Yeah, right there. And so yeah, I still have to feed them because they miss 1.5 hours grazing and you know, like snacking and all. And I took some bunches of ripe banana from Papa, overstuck from his farm, so it's good for the goats. This is life of a goat racer, guys, and the farmer basically. And so it's good to see those family of our little stud goats. Right now we have Joy with develop others now, showing with milk production, kind of. Yeah, her others are starting to develop and it's wiggly. I made a shorts on that I think 2 days ago. And it's good to see things like this, guys, because you know when to expect. Like if it's developing now, then it means she is 3.5 months pregnant, so we can expect by April she will kid by April, and hopefully with Rico by April. So it's not May. Although Perdita, I'm kind of not sure if she's pregnant or not. Well, her tits is showing that she's pregnant, but with her, like, she's super active, so, and she's not careful with her belly yet, and there's no development yet in her udders, like just that it changed angle. So I cannot tell that she is 3.5 months pregnant, same as Joy. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been One Pinay Chick Chat saying bye. Sige lang. You just eat. Nelly. Yeah. Oh, why you're here? Why you not eating? I'll get you banana now. Get you later. So here's Martin. I separated him. He gets attacked by the big girls. Why you throw this, Martin? I walk far to get this. Oh, look how na. You eat na. I give you 2 bunches already. Hello. You wait. Who's eating? Oh, hello, Big Tam Tam. Hello, Mama. She's a good mama. Oh, your babies are everywhere. You don't care already, no? The Sasu. Half Sasu breed. Half red. Rhode Island red breed. Same. Silver, native one. Tam Tam, I have nest for you. I fixed the nest for you so your egg won't go to the hole. Guys, today guys, I only have one egg.